Alright, just went over and picked up Steven's 62 Buick. We're going to replace all the wheel cylinders. One is leaking. Figured we might as well do them all, get it done and handled. And then we need to replace the AC compressor, which is that noise, by the way, that we're all hearing. God damn, Scotty, that was loud! Anyway, so I have the key off. I just drove it into the shop. Whoever wired your AC in, it's still on with the key off. Oh, people. Scotty, we have Steven's. Oh yeah, this is definitely said it was leaking.
Oh,
Steven's 62 up.
Yep.
Now Steven's complaint was he'd be driving and he'd just run out of brake fluid from time to time, which obvious. And he knew it was one of the rears.
Yep.
Yeah, it's definitely this one. So we actually bought all four, like I said earlier, and
we'll just replace all four. I mean, that's easy. If you're gonna do one, you might as well do all four. I mean,
just do them all, bleed them, be done with it, and then we're gonna be on to the AC. But everything else is looking good. I gotta admit, it's nice. I like this car.
Oh, this car's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it.
Don't tell Steven I really like his car.
I won't tell him. I promise.
Don't tell him I licked the Buick emblem.
You licked one, I licked the other.
Oh, it's like that.
Yep.
Are we in a three-way with a 62 Buick?
Yes, we are. We're in a three-way.
Yeah, sorry.
Well, a love triangle is more what it would be.
A love triangle with a 62 Buick?
Yes, correct.
At least we can't get the Buick pregnant.
Well, give me time. I might try. I mean, it's been a minute.
That's more than I need to know. Anyway, well, after Scotty gets these all swapped out, we're going to do all four. And we'll inspect each corner. See, we're looking good. And it got to the point where it was leaking, but it didn't get into the shoes. Thankfully.
Yes.
Because when it gets into the shoes, that's when it causes a whole bunch of other bullshit.
Yep. So I'll clean everything up really, really good. Spray everything down.
Just a quick little clean up and swap them out. And then...
And we'll make them purty.
Then you go to the other side. And we'll just work our way around the car, get that done. And then I'll be on AC. Actually, I'll probably have you pull it. And then I'll charge it when you're done.
Sure.
Charge it when you're done pulling it.
Oh, sorry.
Easy, calm down. We already licked the Buick today. Anyway.
Hey, it's better than licking bath salts.
I guess so.
I think the last guy that did bath salts was what? He was eating some guy's face underneath a bridge in...
Florida?
Is it Florida or here?
It's Florida, which is a Florida.
Well, that's a Florida thing, yeah.
Activity. Well, that part of Florida. I go to the part of Florida that's basically Alabama. It's not so bad. They don't do that much weird shit there. It's just race cars and hillbillies, and that's more fun.
True.
And there's a really nice restaurant. Ooh, Pensacola.
Right.
Pensacola Beach. Flounders.
Oh, yes. Amazing.
You've been to Flounders?
Yes, I've been to Flounders.
Okay.
I used to live in Florida.
Yeah, Flounders is that's our jam. That's our when we go to the race in Florida, that's where we eat dinner. Anyway, off topic. But so Scotty, get your ass to work.
Yes, dear.